Hello everyone, this is my review of the Sunbeam Flexible Desk Neck Light. This desk light extends about a foot and a half up. It flexes and bends so you can turn it to which direction you need it to be. It plugs in and you can remove the power cord if you need to, like for storage and stuff. It's pretty sturdy. The base, it doesn't like topple over or anything. The light has a pretty bright LED light in it, and you can set it to different modes from at least 3 different modes of bright to mid to low. I have in the brightest setting right now. You can see that I can easily read this paper with this setting, and to change it, you just tap here, tap again, then it's off. So it's just a touch. You don't have to press down and just touch and it will change the light.